Hey guys, so I've been running this YouTube channel for about a year now, and in that year I've shot about 70 or so vlogs, all using the camera which you're looking at me on right now, which is my cell phone. It's a OnePlus 6. It's not convenient at times, especially if I need to use my phone, but I'm also shooting something for the vlog. It was really just not practical. I filmed a couple of stuff in the car where I literally am sitting at the driver's seat and I'm trying to hold the camera as far away from possible because the camera lens on my phone just doesn't quite capture everything, and ideally I would have a wider angle lens like a GoPro. So as you probably know, the GoPro HERO 8 just came out a month ago, and because of that you've noticed that there's been a significant drop in the prices of GoPro 7s. And another thing that happens around this time is Black Friday, and this was something that I thought only existed in North America, in the US and Canada, Cyber Mondays, you know, that whole thing. But turns out here in New Zealand they actually do have Black Friday, and I was able to pick up a GoPro 7 for a really good price too. It's called the Special Bundle Pack. So you get the GoPro HERO 7 Black with the Special Bundle, and with it you also get this dildo looking thing. It's not a dildo, it's actually a tripod. It also comes with a 32 gigabyte micro SD card, as well as 2 batteries for charging. And it also comes with the charger cable. So anyways, I'm really stoked to finally have this. I'm gonna get my phone back. I'm gonna be able to shoot some vlogs with this. This will probably replace this phone, though there are certain shots that look better. I think talking head segments look a lot better shot on this phone versus something that's wider angle. I think shots on the GoPro 7 would look a lot better for more outdoorsy shots like waterfalls and like mountains and stuff where I'm kind of trying to incorporate a lot of stuff in the backgrounds, underwater shots of course, and shots that require tight places like when I'm filming in the car. But I'm excited. I'm gonna go out right now and start shooting with this. So awesome. I've never actually attempted anything this crazy. It doesn't look as impressive on camera, but that was surprisingly scary. Okay, what else can we do? Whoa! Oh shit, that was scary. Oh my god. That doesn't sound good. So I spent about a day now messing around with the GoPro HERO 7. It's a ton of fun. Pros and cons, just to wrap it up. Cons, there aren't very many, but if I had to pick one, it would definitely be the touchscreen interface. There are times where I either found myself involuntarily tapping on menu items or trying to tap on a menu item and nothing happened, or I would swipe up to preview the videos that I shot and the menu wouldn't come up instantly. But again, these are things that are forgivable. I mean, these are little, really minor things, because at the end of the day, you just want to hit this record button
and it'll start filming. One feature that I really like is that you don't even need to turn the GoPro on. It could be off right now. You hit record and it'll start recording. At the end of the day, the GoPro is an action camera, and that's exactly why it is the best in its class. And looking at the footage last night, the footage is super crispy. The stabilization is creamy and smooth. It is a solid piece of hardware. Am I going to use it to replace my vlog? Not entirely. It really depends on the situation. I think when it comes to action cameras, that's really what it boils down to. It depends on the situation. Like I said before, the talking head segments look great on my phone, so I think I'm just going to continue with that. I haven't really looked into the GoPro 8, so I can't really say if it's leaps and bounds above the GoPro 7, but with the current price tag on the GoPro 7, this piece of hardware is definitely a sure bet, and I can't wait to start incorporating it into the vlog. Okay, you know what? Let's shoot this sign-off bit on the GoPro 7. Switching to the GoPro now. You know what? One final test. Let's test the image stabilization of me running, and I'm gonna do the outro at the same time. Two birds with one stone. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I know this isn't the normal vlog that I put out on this channel. This is more of like a tech review, but kind of a subpar tech review because I don't go into the nitty-gritty. I just want to shoot something for the sake of shooting something, editing a video, creating something, and putting something out. That's really what this channel is about. So thanks for watching. I really appreciate the views. Stay good to each other. Peace. Look, I got some fans.